Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 31st of January 2022, where we feature some of the best Unity content, visual effects, games and everything you can find made in Unity. Be sure to submit to me if you have an awesome clip and you'll have a chance to be featured in next week's episode. So first we have Little Mountain Anim with Pacific Rim but cuter. The second one, we have Splash Team Devs with Tinykin and all the gameplay. We have Felix with yet again another look at Morbid Metal. The Alan Chew has twist propagation and it looks kinda weird. Andy Fu has got some more kinematic object collisions and awesome craziness in turbo sliders. Silent Flame X has got an old game jam where you move all the objects to defeat the enemies. Hatchling has got added platforms and cannons with an active ragdoll. What could go wrong? Panic the First has got pocket wheels in alpha. ED007 has a camera that tracks the great white shark. Nordjylifsid has got the heavily guarded military base, but you've got to infiltrate it as a penguin. Limb Kernel has got a paper plane arcade physics with wind impact, and you can manually add this with a button press. Andre_MC has added a speed booster ability, and I think it looks so smooth. The Vido game has got looks like where you can play God. Studio Tatsu has been experimenting with slow-mo drifting and AI vehicles. Jack Batko, as after 16 months of work, the game's finally ready. Check out the trailer. Alex Sikiak has got flamethrower visual effects all made in HDRP. Happy GameDev has got a small game about a gliding squirrel. Ty Green has made a Mario Party game using Unity with lots of mini-games, event spaces and so much more. Run Stop Ready has made a fancy menu in the remake of the Commodore 64 classic Blue Max. Philip STA is instantiating 32,000 bullets a second. That's the gun you kinda want. Tape to Tape _ game has been working on new goalies and general gameplay for their hockey game. Nick D. Carver has got a sneak peek of the Spioramas in motion. Jacob _Wahlberg has got loads of prototypes for procedural animations and such cool things. Be sure to check all these fantastic creators, creations and everything for the 31st of January 2022. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. Come and support me on Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts and projects you can't find anywhere else. So come and join me on Discord, check out my great assets on the Unity Asset Store and also on my website to get bonus discounts. So thank you so much for watching, and to all my patrons for you being absolutely incredible people. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.